Biology Part 61. Structure and action of hot substance. Structure and action of the hot structure. The human heart is located inside the chest within a membrane-lined cavity. The pericardium, it is about 12 centimeters long and roughly cone-shaped, with apex of the cone pointing obliquely down to the left. The apex lies nearest to the surface between the fifth and sixth ribs on the left side, 8 to 10 centimeters from the midline, where the heating of the heart can be easily felt. The heart has a mass of 300 grams in an adult male and about 250 grams in an adult female. The internal structure of the heart is illustrated in the figure. This shows that the heart viewed from the front, so that the right side of the heart corresponding to the person's right hand side, and is correctly down on the left diagram. As you can see, that two thin-walled atria at the top of the larger ventricle at the bottom are linked by a fibrous skeleton. It's that of a tough connective tissue. This forms a thin dividing layer between the upper and the lower chambers and is perforated by four valves comprising an atrioventricular valve and semilunar valve on each side. The left entry ventricle or bicuspid valve and the right entry ventricular or tricuspid valve both open when the ventricles relax. When the ventricles contract, these valves close with a parachute-like action, forcing blood to leave the heart via two semilunar valves called respectively the pulmonary and aortic valves. The valve tendons chordotendine and pupillary muscles on each side of the prevent entry ventricle valve from blowing through under pressure. This action is possible because the papillary muscles contract at the same time as of the ventricle, effectively shortening the strings of the parachute as the contraction continues. On the right side, blood blows out to the lungs, while on the left, blood flows into the aorta, out to the system circulation. The operation of the semilunar valves is explained in the figure. Each valve consists of three flexible pocket-shaped flaps. When the blood flows upwards in, the flaps are pushed loosely to the side, but as soon as the pressure in the ventricles drops, blood starts to flow down and flaps fill up the bulged inwards to the close of the valve. The free edge of each flap is slightly thickened and has a small lump or nodule at the center to ensure a perfect fit with its neighbors. Interestingly, the two sides of the heart are not exactly alike.